GWC-C-2000 Anti-cracking mesh welding production line. Production efficiency, 7 pieces, min. 3 meters long. The unit is designed as a separable structure to facilitate specification adjustment and maintenance. One-time or multiple welding can be used according to the user's capacitance, which has great flexibility. The pressure of the welding pneumatic system is stepless and adjustable, which can quickly respond to the change of steel bar specifications. The whole machine is controlled by man-machine interface, plus PLC programming controller, with a high degree of automation. The welding pressure is uniform and consistent, to ensure the quality of all solder joints. The cross-wire blanking device adopts servo motor to automatically feed the material, which reduces labor and improves efficiency.